Good day viewers and welcome to the Polymerupdate Daily News Show. This is Pratiksha Karkera from the Polymerupdate Mumbai office. Today's special news reel is sponsored by Delhi-based Axe Engineering, an eminent manufacturer, importer, exporter, supplier and service provider. Their range of products include plastic processing machines and rubber processing machines. Viewers, today is Wednesday and as always, the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments from Asia's #1 pricing service provider, Polymerupdate. With me is Polymerupdate's in-house expert, Mr. Jwalant Oza, our editorial director, who will throw some light on this week's pricing assessments for the Asian markets. Quite a day yesterday, wasn't it, Jwalant? The rains really did play havoc and caused trouble to Mumbaikars. What do you have to say about it?
Well, I saw people coming out of their homes and offering people food and water, and some even opened up their homes to give shelter to the fellow Mumbaikars.
Rightly, that is what we call the spirit of Mumbaikars.
Yes.
Back to our news show, Jwalant. Our viewers are eager to know about the PP markets in Asia. Your comments, please.
Well, PP prices for Far East Asia are likely to increase by $40 per metric ton, while for Southeast Asia, prices of PP are expected to rise by $10 per metric ton.
How about the pricing trends in regional PE markets?
HDPE prices for Far East Asia are likely to rise by $20 per metric ton, while for Southeast Asia, prices may increase by $10 to $30 per metric ton. Now, in case of LDPE, prices for Far East Asia are expected to gain by $30 per metric ton, while for Southeast Asia, prices are likely to rise by $10 per metric ton. LLDPE prices for Far East Asia and Southeast Asia are expected to increase by $20 per metric ton.
What are the assessments for PVC this week?
Prices of PVC in China and Southeast Asia are expected to remain steady.
Are domestic producers likely to make any price changes this week?
Well, most of the market players are of the opinion that PE prices are likely to be rolled over. PP prices are expected to rise by rupees 1 to 1.50 per kg basic, while PVC prices are also likely to be increased by rupees 1 to 2 per kg basic with effect from September 1st, 2017.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jwalant, for your comments.
Thank you, Pratiksha.
That was Jwalant Oza sharing his insights on this week's Asian polymer market. Back to the daily news now. Crude oil prices displayed a mixed undertone on Tuesday, while WTI traded at $46.44, down 13 cents per barrel. Brent finished at $52, up 11 cents per barrel. OpenSpec naphtha prices on Tuesday were assessed lower by $3 per metric ton to settle at $475 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Ethylene prices remained steady while propylene prices edged higher on Tuesday. Ethylene prices were at $1,130 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels and $1,285 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels, both unchanged from Monday. Propylene prices were assessed at $935 per metric ton CFR China levels and $875 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, both up by $5 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Reports of persistent tight product avails, strong regional demand trends and firmer downstream PP values together pushed prices higher across the Asian region. On Tuesday, benzene prices remained steady while SM prices continue to journey north in Asia. Benzene prices were assessed at $820 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, unchanged from Monday. SM prices were at $1,300 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day increase of $25 per metric ton, and prices were at $1,325 per metric ton CFR China levels, a gain of $20 per metric ton from Monday. Reports of continued strong buying sentiments in key markets like China helped sellers of SM to revise their prices higher. If you have enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymerupdate and have found it to be useful for your business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. It's Wednesday, August 30. This is Pratiksha Karkera. Thank you.